Hi, you all just finished a U-Try where you got to try a couple of compositions of functions. The functions that I gave you were f of x equals negative x minus 1 and g of x, which equals x squared. So the first thing I asked you guys to do was to do g of f of negative 9. So what you're going to do is do f of negative 9 first, and then we'll put that into the g function. So let's start out with f of negative 9. So we'll do the opposite of x, so the opposite of negative 9, and then we'll subtract 1. Okay? The opposite of negative 9 is positive 9, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So now that we've done f of negative 9 and we got 8, we're going to put that answer, the 8, into our g function. So 8 will go into g of x. So g of x is just x squared, so what we're going to do is take that input, that 8, and we're going to square it. So 8 squared is 64, and that is your answer for part A. Alrighty, in part B, I asked you guys to do f of g of x. So what we're going to do is we're going to take g of x, that's that inside function, and we're going to put it into f of x. So starting with g of x goes into g, which is just x squared. And then that x squared is going to go into the f function. So that'll be the opposite of x, but for us that'll be the opposite of x squared. And then we'll subtract 1. And that's it. There's no simplifying to do. It's kind of already there for us. But that's what our expressions will look like, is negative x squared, or the opposite of x squared, minus 1.